Lay out sufficient materials for the first table. Before starting the assembly, adjust the long jack extensions to those shown on the RMD Quickform drawing, using the captive measuring tape within each jack stem. The tape gives the correct distance when read underneath the jack collar. Overextend each jack by 15 to 25 mm to allow for final leveling once the table has been erected. Ensure that the load-release mechanism is set in the raised position, with the vertical locking plunger installed into the striking plate. Insert the jacks fully into the legs and engage the horizontal locking plunger into the locating holes at the end of the leg. Where there will be a second level to the table, add spigots to the top of the Alshor Plus legs. Attach a frame between a pair of legs, ensuring the spring latches are on the top cord. Locate the longer, lower blades first to their step position, followed by the upper blades. Push the lower blade off the step position to fully engage the frame. Check that the spring latches locate securely beneath the leg pockets. Raise the two leg frames to vertical and attach the side frames to the assembly. Locate the remaining legs to the ends of the frames and attach the final frame to complete the assembly. Where additional bays of leg assemblies are required, add side frames to the existing assembly and then connect the legs and frames. Continue this sequence until the final table size is reached, ensuring the table is square and all frames are level. In order to continue the erection vertically, place either Alshor Plus platforms or board bearers on top of the cord of the frame. If board bearers are being used, secure with the grub screw before laying the scaffold boards. Where platforms are being used, ensure the trapdoor unit is placed in the ladder position. Add an Alshor Plus starter ladder and bottom ladder to the frame. Where these are being placed on a 1.2 meter frame, ensure they are positioned against the Alshor Plus leg. Before allowing site operatives to climb the ladder, hook the Alshor Plus advancing guardrails in place on top of the frames to the full perimeter of the platform and engage the vertical restraint to secure. Place the next lift of frames, platforms and ladders. Once all the frames are connected, the vertical restraints are released and the advancing guardrails are lifted to the next frame position and secured. Append and add the next lift of Alshor Plus legs, locating onto the spigots. Continue this sequence until the desired height of table is reached. At the top level, place the handrail for the top platform if needed, and the Alshor Plus U-heads or head jacks. The primary and secondary beams and plywood are now added, completing the table. Using the Alshor Plus jack spanner, easily adjust the height of the long jacks using the captive measuring tape for reference until the correct table height is achieved.